Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Newton app, wishing you could dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies? Well, today's the day we're going to make that wish a reality. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Newton, giving you access to a whole new universe of trading opportunities. Building context. So, why is this important? Well, MetaMask is essentially your digital wallet, a secure place to store your cryptocurrencies. Newton, on the other hand, is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. By connecting these two, you're essentially creating a bridge between your personal crypto stash and the wider world of trading. Main content. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install MetaMask. Start by downloading the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to securely store your seed phrase, as it's the key to accessing your wallet. Step 2. Set up Newton. Download the Newton app and create an account. Verify your identity to comply with regulatory requirements. Step 3. Connect MetaMask to Newton. Within the Newton app, navigate to your profile settings. Look for the option to connect a wallet. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. You'll be prompted to sign into your MetaMask wallet. Troubleshooting common issues. Wallet connection errors. If you're having trouble connecting, ensure you're using the correct network on both MetaMask and Newton. Security concerns. Always double-check the address you're connecting to avoid scams. Additional tips. Keep your wallet secure. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Stay updated. Keep both MetaMask and Newton updated to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Benefits of connecting MetaMask to Newton. Expanded trading opportunities. Access a wider range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. Enhanced security. Benefit from the security features of both MetaMask and Newton. Seamless transfers. Easily transfer funds between your wallet and the exchange. Conclusion. Connecting MetaMask to Newton is a simple yet powerful step toward unlocking the full potential of your cryptocurrency journey. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to exploring the exciting world of crypto trading. Call to action. Have you connected your MetaMask wallet to Newton yet? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.